So let's start with programming. Let's have a small introduction about computers, what is a program, type of software, programming types, and about C programming. Let's understand what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine that takes input from the user, processes the input, and generates the output in useful format. Computer has different components like input devices. The keyboards and mouse act as the input device. The central processing unit, or called as CPU, where all processing data happens with the help of a program, and the output device, usually the monitor, acts as the output device, and we have the memory unit where we store all data and program. A computer takes input, so the inputs are different format. The raw data, program, and the user inputs are given to the computer. And the program is nothing but the set of instructions given to a computer, and the output is the information generated by the computer. Let's understand what is a program. A program is a set of instructions that is given to a computer to perform a particular task. So programs are the one which helps to solve a variety of problems. The problems varies from a simple calculations to a complex data analysis. So the program is the way through which people communicate with computers and complete their task. The programs also helps to automate any process and completes any task faster and efficiently. The programs that run on a computer are called as a software. As I said, program running on a computer is called as a software. Let's try to understand the different types of software. There are two basic types of software. One is called as the system software and the other one is called as the application software. So what is a system software? The programs that are designed to maintain or operate the computer systems are known as system software. A simple way to understand is the operating system what we are using is called as the system software. So the operating system is one which helps us to manage the entire hardware. So only with the help of operating system, so we could able to communicate with the hardware. So thus any operating system or any software like utility softwares which helps to interact with the hardware is called as a system software. The other one is called as the application software. So the application software are one which are designed to solve any specific type of problem. So the good example for application software is we all know that we had worked with word processor which helps us to create a document. So word processor is only used for creating a document. And when we have to give our presentation, we just go for another application called PowerPoint presentation, which is used only for giving PowerPoint presentation to the user. Okay, so when we want to play any videos or musics, we go for music or video player. So thus any application software is one which is designed and solves a particular job. It cannot perform all jobs at the same time. Let's have a look at the different programming languages. So the major types of programming languages are procedural programming language, object-oriented programming language, and scripting language. So the examples of procedural programming language are BASIC, Fortran, Pascal, COBOL, and C. And here C++, Java, Python, PHP, Ruby, and Perl are some of the examples of object-oriented programming language. Ruby, Python, Perl, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, React are some of the examples of scripting language. Let's now have a look at the history of C programming language, importance, its application, and benefits of learning C programming language. C programming language was first developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at the AT&T Bell Laboratory. It was developed along with Unix operating system and it has a close relationship with Unix operating system. The C programming language was developed from its ancestors called Basic Combined Programming Language, also called as BCPL, and B programming language. The first book on C, named The C Programming Language by Cunningham and Ritchie, was first published in 1978. In 1989, the American National Standard Institute (ANSI) has standardized C programming language, making it portable and widely used across different platforms. Let's understand why C is important to learn. C is the foundation of many modern programming languages like C++, Java, Python, and C#. C programs are more efficient and faster. C programs are highly portable and can run on wide variety of hardware with minimal changes. C is used in operating system, embedded system, game development, and it has many more applications. C is a compiled programming language. So with the help of C, we could understand the foundation concepts like memory management, system level programming, data structures, and algorithms. Applications of C programming are: it helps for developing core concepts of operating system, and it is used in embedded systems like microcontrollers, IoT devices, and robotics. C programming is also used for developing games, for designing databases, for implementing compilers and interpreters. It helps in building network protocols, and it is also used for graphical user interface development. Here are the benefits of learning C programming. C gives an understanding of how computer works, memory allocation, and CPU instruction. C acts as the foundation for learning advanced topics like operating system, compiler design, and computer architecture. C provides various career opportunity in different domains like embedded system, game development, cybersecurity, and system level programming. Here are some of the integrated development environment (IDE) for writing C codes and executing. So they are the code blocks, Dev C++, Visual Studio Code. So the links for these are given here. You can download the software, install, and you can work with C programs. Also, there exist online C compilers. So the links for those compilers are given. You can make use of it for developing the C code and execute it. In the following video lecture series, I am going to cover the following topics like structure of C program, data types and variables, operators and expressions, control flow, conditional statements and looping, arrays, functions and storage classes, pointers and dynamic memory allocation, strings, structures and unions, and file handling in C. Great work today. Let's quickly recap what we have learned. A computer is an electronic machine that takes inputs, processes the input, and generates output in useful format. A program is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a particular task. So, and we know there are two types of software, and one is system software and the other one is application software. And there exist different types of programming language. We have seen the major types like procedural programming language, object-oriented, and scripting languages. And we learned the history of C programming language. So it was developed by Dennis Ritchie. It is efficient and faster. It is used for developing operating system and core concepts of embedded system. C programming language also acts as the foundation for writing any other high-level programming. And if you have found this video helpful, Please like and share it with your friends who might also want to learn programming. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you.